What's up guys, we are back with another Sai Itoshi video. This time he's going to be playing his first official match for Real Madrid in the UEFA Super Cup coming from the bench, and he's replacing Real Madrid's Jude Bellingham wearing the number 10 on his jersey. What a wonderful sight. And he's starting his first official game for Real Madrid. He's coming out from the bench. Okay, he asked for the pass. He's looking to dribble. He's looking to go solo. He's not going to pass it to anyone. Will Sai score his first goal already? Can he score it? Nope, he can't. His shooting is not the best, guys. His passing is actually pretty decent, I won't be honest with you. And yep, a lot of changes in the Real Madrid squad since Rodriguez come on. And Real Madrid leading 1-0. Sai asks for the ball. He's looking to dribble again, not deciding to pass. Will he pass or will he shoot? He decides to shoot, and it's a save. A wonderful save from the goalkeeper. Sai is asking for the ball. What a wonderful pass from his teammate. And he passes it to Mbappe, and his first start from the bench, and he gets his first career assist. What a wonderful way to get a first assist, that to assisting Real Madrid's Kylian Mbappe. What a wonderful save. Let's look at the replay. A good pass from Sai, who was not selfish this time, and a good goal from Mbappe. A simple tap in, and Mbappe celebrating too much. Sai looking to dribble. Will he send a long ball? Oh, he sends! Oh, what a wonderful assist! Man, that ball was so good, guys, actually. Going to be honest with you, what a wonderful assist from Sai Itoshi. That assist, let's look at the replay. The assist was so good. Very well, but he just had to come and just score a simple header goal. But nah, the assist was good. It was cold, guys. It was actually cold. What a wonderful assist. And his second career assist in his first proper match for Real Madrid. Will he score his first goal? And yes, Sai Itoshi has scored his first goal in the UEFA Super Cup. What a way to introduce yourself to the world of football. Sai Itoshi has scored his first goal for Real Madrid. And what a wonderful finish. What a wonderful pass from his teammate and a finish by Sai Itoshi. What a wonderful way to score a goal, your first goal. And it's full time with Real Madrid winning the UEFA Super Cup. First game for Sai Itoshi, first official match, first goal, two assists, two crucial assists. I think so he wins the Man of the Match award. And he's already winning his first trophy. Oh, why did I skip it? Oh man, why did I skip it, bro? Okay, my bad, guys. I'm sorry, I skipped it. I'm really am, but just a little more manager rating, guys, and he will be a guaranteed starter. And yep, we are going to I think so, maybe improve his passing a bit more since his that cross was superb actually. He could even improve his pace a little bit, but I think so our skill points are all used up maybe. Nope, not yet. Could improve his shooting also. Yup, it is now all used up. And let's look at his, I think so. Let's look at his this guys. My action. Let's look at his rating. Just look at this, guys. What a wonderful card, guys. 71 rated cam playing for Real Madrid. 19 years old. Has 79 pace. 68 shot. His passing is 73. He has a long ball pass also, guys. I mean, long ball pass this, I forgot. Play style. And he's playing his first La Liga game for Real Madrid. And he's coming from the bench. I hope he does match get an assist because I don't think he might score a first goal this match. But yup. A wonderful pass from Sai. Real Madrid. I'm building an attack. Will he score a goal? Okay, it's not. He's not offside, Mbappe. And he does because of the deflection, guys. I don't think so that was an offside. So yup. Mbappe does score his first goal in the first La Liga game for Real Madrid. And yep, it was a good goal from Mbappe. And Sai is also joining the celebration with him. Sai is looking to dribble. What a wonderful pass, man. I think so. His crosses trying to improve, even though there are not many players who can header. And it's offside. Can Say contribute more? Yep, he is. He's going to go on a solo run. Can he score? No, he cannot. He shot with his weaker foot. We need to increase his weak foot, I think so, guys. And it's full time with Real Madrid winning 2-0. Let's go. Inside his first La Liga match, he not contribute a lot. But will he improve his manager rating? Let's see. And yup, he is a guaranteed starter now in the starting XI. And yup, let's go ahead and improve his things. I think so shooting could be a major one because after that missed shot, I feel he could improve his shooting a lot. He only has a 2-star weak foot. I need to improve on his long shots and all that. And yup, let's check is this OVR. I think is it the same? Yup, it is still the same. The shot has increased till from 65 to 67, and yup, he is gonna play. Let's see. And okay, the cutscene has come out. Sai is training hard, lifting some things. I don't know what is he lifting. Some weights. And the Real Madrid manager, not manager, I think so. The training manager is showing the starting lineup. Let's see. Sai is getting nervous, and Jude Bellingham looks at the list, but he's furious. I don't think so. He's on the starting lineup. Then Sai is gonna look. Sai is looking. And oh, Sai Itoshi is in the starting lineup of Real Madrid. What a wonderful way, guys. What a wonderful thing. And he is going to play his first game not coming out from the bench, in the starting lineup, guys. His first game, guys. What a wonderful way, guys. 71 rated Sai Itoshi has a potential that might be even higher than Lamine Yamal. Who knows? Because the way he's cooking, I can't believe it. Sai sends a good ball through. Come on, can we score our first goal? I don't care if Sai doesn't score. We also need Real Madrid to start scoring. And yup, I don't know who just scored, but it was a good goal actually. A superb goal which shot from Sai Itoshi's right leg pass. Means even though that had zero angle. Can Sai score his first goal? Nope. It was a good shot, not bad. He deserves at least a little credits. Okay, Sai. What are you planning to do? What a wonderful cut in. Will he shoot? And yup, he does. What a wonderful way to score your first goal I think so. He in his first goal in La Liga. That too, not coming out from the bench, guys. In the stun lamp, Sai is becoming crazy, guys. What is this guy, bro? Is I think so becoming better than Lamine Yamal. Let's look at this finish, guys. Just look at the replay. I think so. Size whenever the goalkeeper comes out, I think so. He all the time shoots better on his left leg, even though his left leg is a stronger foot. But I think so. Might have a decent finishing than Ronaldo. Okay, I'm joking, guys. Where is Ronaldo and where's Sai Toshi? But he literally won oh, whoa! What was this wonderful dribbling from Sai Toshi? Are you kidding me? Is he gonna score a second goal? Is he gonna square it? Oh, bro, did the Ankara Messi? Are you kidding me? He literally won the he literally won the ball back, and he just scored the Ankara Messi goal. Bro, what is Sai Toshi, guys? This player is phenomenal. Like, I don't know what is wrong with Sai, guys. Bro has literally scored like in 3 goals in 3 games. That to 2 assists, 5 GA in literally 3 games. My man is cooking. And Jude Bellingham comes out. Okay. Sai asks for the ball. Will he score this? Can he score it? And yup, guys, in the last minute of the game, he gets his first hat trick. Sai is doing the karma in the Santiago Bernabeu. What a wonderful goal from Sai. That was first hat trick. My man has literally played. I don't know what has happened to Sai, guys. He's literally proving out to be one sensational talent. He already has 6 GA in 3 games. My man is cooking. 4 goals and 2 assists from Say, and doing the Kamandi Santiago Bernabeu that is scored, and it's full time. A wonderful win from Real Madrid, and he does get the man of the match award. A wonderful man of the match and a wonderful performance and a 10-star performance, of course. Guys, please like and subscribe, and bye.